Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you two sweets and one lemon rice. Very delicious recipes. Let us start. Take 1 cup of poha and 1 cup of moong dal. Wash 2 times properly. This recipe is very delicious. You can enjoy and prepare and taste it. Then transfer to cooker. Add 3 cups of water. Then put in 1 whistle. And take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, then add some cashews and raisins. Fry them, then take separately. Now add 1 cup of jaggery and 3/4 cup of water. Leave to melt it. Once melted, then add cooked dal and poha. I took hard rice flakes here, that means poha. Then mix well with jaggery water. Once mixed, then add the other ingredients. Now add 2 to 3 crushed cardamom and fried nuts and raisins. Now add, before adding the milk, stir off, then add 1 cup of boiled milk. This is very simple and tasty, delicious, quick, sweet recipe. You can use this recipe as a prasadam, any early morning puja, or you can prepare for your relatives or guests. This is ready. And second recipe is lemon rice. This is also very delicious and simple recipe, quick recipe. You can do it within 15 to 20 minutes. Already boiled rice is there, and take 2 tablespoons of ghee and few groundnut, urad dal and gram dal and 1 teaspoon mustard. Put 2 tablespoons of urad and gram dal. Then add, once fried all the dals, then add cashew. If you don't have cashew, you can skip this. Now add red chili, green chili, slitted green chili, then 2 to 3 stems of curry leaves. Put half teaspoon of turmeric in the oil, hot oil. Fry half minute. Then fry all the ingredients. Now stove off and mix 1 or 2 minutes. Now rice already boiled. Add, once cool down the rice, then add salt to taste and half teaspoon of hing. I cooked 250 grams of rice. For that I am using here 2 full lemons. Crush the lemon juice. Then mix the rice first, then add tempering to the rice. Mix well salt and lemon juice and hing with rice. Once mixed, now add tamarind. You can use this recipe for lunchbox or children's lunchbox or as a prasadam. I am not using here any garlic and onions. That's why we can use freely as a prasadam. Mix well, then keep aside for 10 minutes, then serve this rice. This is ready. I prepared for prasadam. And the third recipe is again sweet. This is Grandal Pongal. This is also very delicious. Try it once. Take 1 cup of gram dal, that means chana dal, and wash 2 times. This is also very quick recipe and instant recipe. And transfer to cooker. Then add 2 cups of water. Then put for 4 to 5 whistles. Now take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and a few cashews and a few raisins. Once fried these two ingredients, then take separately. Add half cup of vermicelli and fry well until golden color. Once fried, then add 2 tablespoons of suji, that is Bombay rava, and fry 1 or 2 minutes. Suji will fry quickly. Now check the cooker. Dal is cooked or not. If not cooked, add some water, then again cook for 2 to 3 whistles. This is already cooked well. I am doing this recipe every 1 or 2 months. It's very tasty. You can use this recipe for Friday prasadam or any festival prasadam, or instantly you wanted to eat some sweet, you can do this recipe. Then add to kadai the entire gram dal, add some water, add 2 cups of water. Say vermicelli and suji should cook. Stir continuously, it will stick to kadai. Now add required water if not enough. Once combined all the ingredients, it will take 3 to 4 minutes only to cook. Now check the vermicelli is cooked or not. It's a little bit hard. Cook another 2 to 3 minutes. Add required water if want. Now add 1 cup of jaggery and half cup of sugar. I'm using same cup here. You can use the same cup for all the measurements. Stir to until melt the sugar and jaggery. Now add cardamom powder. I am using here edible camphor. You can add this if you like, or otherwise you can skip this. Now add dry nuts already fried. This is also ready. If you like my videos, once cool down the recipe, then add 1 cup of milk. I am using here boiled milk and 1 tablespoon of ghee. I am using with malai. This is very tasty. Please prepare all the ingredients. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share, comment. Thank you for watching.